Hello students, I am Varsha Surve from NICE, National Institute for Competitive Examination, a leading institute in the field of giving proper guidance for banking recruitment, staff selection, railway recruitment and such type of competitive examinations. Today we are going to see few questions based on ratio and proportion, very basic questions. Very basic questions, but with a very great shortcut. Okay, let us see. The ratio of number of boys and girls in a school is 720. In a school of 720 students is 7:5. So what is given to us as ratio of girls to boys as 7:5. Total number of students is 720. See students, if I see, this ratio gives me a total of 12, but their total is 720. So I will have to multiply by 60 to this total which is given to me as a ratio, so that it will become 720. Sorry. Obviously, what does this indicate? That number of boys to girls, when the ratio is 7:5, and if each number is to be multiplied by 60, this is going to give me 420. If I multiply this also by 60, this is going to give me 300. Okay, so number of boys comes out to be 420 and number of girls comes out to be 300. Now what is our question? How many more girls should be admitted to make the ratio 1:1? Now students, making the ratio 1:1 means making 4 for 420 boys, there should be 420 girls. Now it is crystal clear that we will have to add 120 girls to make 420 girls. Is it okay? To make a ratio of 1:1, what does this indicate? That if the number of boys are 420, then the girls should be 420. We have already having 300 girls, and how this is 300? Because we have multiplied it by 60. Why we have multiplied it by 60? Because as far as the ratio is concerned, each and every number is 60 times the original number, isn't it? So that gives us 300 plus 20, 120. So what is our answer? Our answer comes out to be 120. So second is the correct option. Here we are using a very short trick, that this ratio is how many times of the total. It is crystal clear that 12, this total is 7:5 gives us 12. It is 60 times of the original. How I got 60? That it is 720 divided by 12. It can be done orally. No need of writing in such a way to get 60. Okay. Let us switch over to next question. The number of pupils in the class is 55. So total is given to us as 55. The ratio of the number of male pupils to the number of female pupils is 5:6. So the number of male pupils to the female, the ratio is 5:6. Now what is the question asked? The number of female pupils is. See, this can be done on the similar lines as we did earlier. This total comes out to be 11, but as far as their total is concerned, the total is 55. So obviously every number is to be increased how many times? It is to be increased 5 times. So number of males must be 5 into 5, but it is not asked, so we are not going to find out. Number of females is 6 into 5, that gives us 30. So how many females are there? In all there are 30 females. Okay, so what is our answer? Our answer is 30. I am sure you have understood these concepts. These are very basic questions, but this is the base of the ratio and proportion. On the basis of this, we can solve. If you could understand this concept properly, you can solve higher difficulty level questions. First, we find out the ratio, the sum as it is. If it is difference, then we will go for difference. If it is sum, we will find out the sum and we will say how many times that sum is, in what proportion it is. Okay. So, students, please share. See you in the next video.